Cross out the ones who heard my cries and watched me weep. I love everything. Fire spreading all around my room. My world's so bright. It's hard.
Hey people, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. So for filming this video, I have got two reasons. The first one is I just did a video on boycotting Chinese product, and I just wanted to share few alternative of the Chinese brands so that you can explore them. And if you have not watched that video, make sure you watch that. And the second reason is we are a lot into sports and fitness, and we ignore a very important thing, that is our outfit. While during a workout we should feel active, confident and comfortable, and outfit plays a very important role in that. So I just decided to do a activewear haul video, and if you feel the same and want to know more, make sure you watch the video till the end. So I have ordered from 4 sites. I'm gonna mention all the product link and details in the description box. You can check them out. So first let's start with Myntra. As we all know, it's an Indian brand, and I have ordered 6 activewears from Myntra, 3 sports bras and 3 tights. So the first one is this in hot pink color from Puma, and this is one of my favorite. It is super amazing, super comfortable, and it is something perfect for your workout. Although it's not padded, but it supports so well, and it is really comfortable during a workout. So the next that I got is this one. This is from the brand HRX, and it is something like a tank top, and again it's super amazing. It is just as shown in the image. So the material of this is very light, and it's more like a tank top, and it has got no pads, and it is very good quality material. The next that I got is again from HRX, this black and neon, and it has a very beautiful bag. This black and neon color bra is really cool, although the padding is a bit loose, so you need to be careful while washing. Like, you just have to wash it with your hands, not in the washing machine, otherwise it's perfect. Next I got these tights from HRX in baby pink color. It is stretchable and very comfortable, and I have tried HRX for the first time. I was not sure about it, but it is amazing. So the material is very light, and it's not transparent or showy, so you are good to go during a workout with these tights. Next one is this in black and grey, again from HRX, and same, the fit is amazing, material is amazing. So this black and grey tights are very good. Like, you can pair it with any t-shirt, sports bra, tank top, and you are good to go. So the last thing that I ordered is this from Cult Sport. Again, the material is good and it fits your body so amazingly. Like, I just love this one. So this black and light blue color tights is the perfect tight I have ever got. Like, fitting wise, material wise, it's perfect. So yeah, that's all from Myntra. Let's move to the next brand, that is LimeRoad. So I ordered 2 things from LimeRoad. The first that I ordered is this zebra stripped tights. This is from Yoga. I just love the look of these tights, and I just love the material as well. So it is a polyester type of material, and it is quite comfortable and stretchable, so I love that material also. So next is a set of sports bra and tights. So this is the tight in black and grey, and again it's as shown in the image. Like, the material is good, and the sports bra that I got with these tights is this one. Again, it's same as shown in the image. So the tights are no doubt very good, but the bra is like a bit loose, the pads are a bit loose, so again you need to wash it with hands because the padding just get displaced. want to make a note that on Limeroad you get products pricing from low to high, so just be aware while ordering. So yeah, that's it from Limeroad. Okay, so let's move to the next brand, that is Clovia, and it's one of my favorite. The amazing thing about it is its packaging. You get your product in this kind of box, and inside it you get your product. I just ordered two things. I just ordered a sports bra and tights because my size was not available, so I just found these. So the first one is this tight, and the material is really amazing. Like inside this you can see it's like something like this, something foamy types, and the material is super amazing, seriously super amazing. And so with this tights I just paired it with this sports bra. So it has got this kind of back which is so cool, and Clovia is especially for women, so you should definitely try it out. You will get a good price, good material, good quality. I just love the color, this look, and it's so comfortable. It's perfect from top to bottom and perfect for workout. So the last brand is Decathlon, although it's not an Indian brand, but it's not a Chinese brand as well. So Decathlon is famous for its sports products, so I just wanted to put my hands on it. So I just ordered three things. So I ordered a sports bra. So I ordered this neon colored sports bra. So I just love this neon color, this look and feel. Apart from that, it's non-padded, but it supports so well that you won't feel uncomfortable without the pads, so it's perfect. So the next I ordered is this black and white sports bra. It is so perfect for a workout session. So here you can see the back is amazing, and the material is also like rapid dry kind of material. And the last thing of this haul is this tank top from again Decathlon. This is a 3-in-1 use tank top. Like either you can use this individually or both of them together. So you get 3 styles in this one. So if you're not comfortable doing a workout in sports bra, so you can switch to these type of tank tops as well. It's a good and comfortable option. So either pair it like the neon one individually and you are good to go, or either just get this white tank top individually and then you can go for a workout, or just put 2 of them together and that's your third look for the workout. So yeah, that's it for the haul. And one important thing, if you have not started your workout, make sure you start your workout right now. So that's it for this haul. Hopefully you like the video, and if you do like, make sure to subscribe my channel and don't forget to like, comment and share. Thank you.